Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So today's video is going to be all about mixing my curly hair products and seeing what happens. I have 27 products that I will be mixing together, like a whole basket full. Whole bunch of products, every angle. So these are all the products I'm going to be mixing together. Oh crap. I have my little bowl here that I'm going to be putting the products in. The types of products that I'm going to be using are going to be leave-in conditioners, gels, creams, mousses, pretty much anything and everything, styling products and leave-in conditioners. I just washed my hair, so it's already pretty damp still. As you can see, it's wetting my shirt. So I guess I'm just gonna start anywhere. The first product I'm gonna use is the Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel. Okay, so my camera just cut off, so I'm just gonna give you a recap of what I've mixed so far. I have the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Souffle, the Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel, Eco Style Coconut Oil Gel, and the Olive Oil Gel. I have the Garnier Fructis Leave-In and the Garnier Fructis Curl Sculpt Cream Gel, Diva Curl Believe-In, Miracle Curl Plumper, Cantu Coconut Curling Cream, Eco Style Curl Cocktail, Cantu for Natural Hair, Wave Whip Curling Mousse, Jane Carter Curls to Go Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In Conditioner. That's what's all in here. It's all about a spoonful. So let's move on. Next we have the Talia Wajid, the Great Detangler Leave-In Conditioner and Co-Wash. You can tell I've used this because I'm almost out. So we got a spoon of that. Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Coiling All Curls Elongating Gel. Okay, so that looks like about a spoon. Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz Free Mousse, Curling Mousse. So we will do about 3 pumps of that as well. Let's make it 4. Another gel, the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel, ORS Olive Oil for Naturals Buttercream Styling Smoothie, ghee butter and coconut. Oh, this stuff's thick. Dippity Doo Girls with Curls Jelly. We will do a spoon of this. Cantu for Natural Hair, Define and Shine Custard. Ooh, this stuff's like, I forgot how slimy it was. Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco for Natural Hair, Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream. Okay, there we go. So that looks pretty good. ORS Olive Oil for Naturals, Hydrating Hair Butter with ghee and coconut. I'll just get like this amount. Eco Cream Styling Gel. Okay, so there is our spoonful. Jane Carter Solution, Curls to Go Curl Cocktail. 1 spoonful. The Maui Moisture Curl Quench and Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. Our spoonful of that. Of course, can't forget one of my faves, the Cantu for Natural Hair Curl Activator Cream. Okay. Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Leave-In Conditioner. So I guess I'll just spray it onto the spoon until I'm satisfied. I could just open it up, but at this point, why? Alrighty, so we got that. And last but not least, the As I Am Twist Defining Cream. And I know we're not doing any twists, but YOLO. And I'm also gonna do a spoonful of that. So here is my concoction, all of my hair products. I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing them. All right, so it's all mixed up. Here's what it's looking like. It's kind of thick. It smells pretty good actually. Oh my gosh. It's pretty thick. Let's just jump right in, right? Just get it all in there. The slip is not too great, but it's not horrible. So I have the concoction fully drenched in my hair. Like, my hair is fully coated with this stuff. I'm really hoping it works. I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry, and I will be back to show you the results. And voila. These are my results. I'm actually pretty surprised at how my hair turned out. I didn't think it would actually turn out this good. I will say that my hair does feel oily, so that is kind of the downside. But aside from that, I really don't mind the results. Luckily, I haven't thrown away all that mix of all those products, so I'll probably be using it to refresh my hair, and I might do another wash and go using it just so I don't waste it all, because the results aren't bad. If they had been bad, then I probably would have thrown it out and just shed a little tear. But it came out pretty good. I'm actually happy with it. I kind of feel like this little experiment was a success. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do. Hit that thumbs up, like button down below. And if you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down here somewhere. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you choosing to watch my video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.